Okay, I'm gonna try to do this in 60 seconds. This is how to get more zip in your boards. Let's grab a character. SpongeBob, he'll do great. He's just gonna leave frame. That's all he's doing. We just need one drawing here and then a running pose like this. And I'm gonna show you, you don't even need this pose. Okay, so that's him. He's leaving. Works okay, it's fine, average. Now, let's throw the same drawing back a little and then raise his foot and put his eyes looking in the opposite direction that he's gonna run. And then some zip lines with a shadow, maybe some bubbles. Okay, now grab the background and move the bottom handle just a little bit to the left. Oh, that looks better. One more time. Oh yeah, okay. That was it. That time went fast. Next week is how to do a fake camera shake. Bye!